Uy, nakakatakot siguro to. Ano ba to?
Walang point to.
Ay, parang, ano siya?
Roslyn, walang iwanan para sa sambayanan. Roslyn, Roslyn, ating kaibigan.
Tara, kwentuhan tayo.
Roslyn, walang iwanan para sa sambayanan.
Mayang adlaw mga biliranon. Ito po ang inyong abang lingkod na si Board Member Roslyn Espina Paras. Ito po ay isa sa mga bago po nating programa nga atong gisugdan karong tuiga upang makapagbigay ng impormasyon na pwedeng pagkunan ng inspirasyon at kaalaman tungkol sa mga nagkalain-lain ng mga kaganapan o personalidad sa atong mahal na probinsya ng Biliran. Now, I would like to welcome our buena mano guest. The man of the hour, isa siya sa pinakabatang State University President sa ating bansa. And he was also just recently elected as President ng PASOK, or the Philippine Association of State Universities and Colleges sa Tibuok Region 8. Imagine, Tibuok Region 8 na ha, di lang din sa atong probinsya sa Biliran. Tinitingala sa kanyang kasipagan at inspirasyon sa mga kabataan at mga kaigsuunang Biliranon. Mga kaigsuunan ko, let us all welcome the 5th President of Biliran Province State University ug usa ka garbo ng atong probinsya, no other than Dr. Victor C. Cañezo Jr. Mayong adlaw, Sir Victor. Welcome to Kwentuhan with BM Roslyn.
Maing adlaw and isa sa malaking karangalan na maimbitahan sa Kwentuhan with BM Roslyn. Salamat.
Thank you. Sir, so, let us first know about the person behind BIPSU. Number 1, o, di ba? May numbering.
Yeah.
Can you share a bit about yourself, Sir Vic? Pwede niyo po bang ikwento sa amin kung paano po ang journey niyo as an educator or from an educator to becoming the president, one of the youngest presidents of a state university in our country?
Ako, ang question ano talaga. Alright, so, ika nga, what a journey it has been, no? Kahit sabihin pa natin na I'm one of the youngest presidents, bata pa naging presidente sa State University, pero hindi naman ganun kadali na nakuha natin or na napunta sa atin ang bilang isang president ng State University. So, we started also something na naghirap talaga tayo. Just like, bata pa tayo, hindi pa ako nakagraduate ng high school. Fourth year high school pala ako, namatay na yung tatay ko. Akala ko nga, hindi na ako makapag-aral sa college.
Oh,
Kaya nga, nag-settle lang ako, no? Humble na dream ko na just to take education. Kasi ito lang ang affordable at that time, yung education. So, kasi yung ibang courses na gusto ko, I want to be a lawyer, but I can't afford. So, education lang ang makaya ko. That's how I value that time. So that, kasi gusto rin ng tatay ko na maging teacher ako. Kasi yun na ang kaya niya.
Okay.
I even heard this during his deathbed. That day, Wednesday yun, namatay siya. Mga 1 o'clock, mga 3 o'clock, around 1, nagsabi siya sa lola ko na sayang mamamatay na daw siya, papaaralin pa niya ako para maging teacher. Kasi alam niya na kung mag-teacher ako, ay hindi ko sila iiwanan. So, yun, kaya pinursige ko talaga na maging teacher. And then, dahil sa kahirapan, sabi ko lang, as long as gawin ko lang ang tama, ang the best, yun, natapos ko naman yung pag-aaral ko, teacher. And then, nung naging teacher na ako, yung sinabi ko lang sa sarili ko is that I have to just do my best always. Yung paging teacher pala, o yung way of going up. Wala, hindi yan, may mga condition ka. Sa akin, hindi mo gagawin ko to kasi I need the salary and all. Wala. Ang ano ko lang sa sarili ko is, whatever yung ginagawa ko, ay talagang for the best.
So
Worth.
parang there were a lot of sacrifices
Yes.
also during, even when you were already an
So, hindi
educator.
ganun kadali din. Kaya sa akin is that as long as magporsige ka and you have to do your best and you are always doing the right thing, a lot of blessings will come the way.
True. So, paano po, from an educator, saan po kayo nagsimula as a teacher? And then, paano po naging napasok sa BIPSU and then naging presidente na
Yeah.
ng State
Kasi
University?
dati, yung pangarap ko is maging teacher. So, and not even in my wildest dream na maging president pala ako ng isang state university or even dyan dito sa BIPSO. Kasi wala akong relatives dyan sa BIPSO, wala akong family na mag-recommend na mag-work ako sa BIPSO. Kaya, yun, nag-start tayo being teacher in a private school sa Cathedral School for nearly 10 years. And you know, the salary there, not that much. But still, we value quality teaching. Nagturo pa rin tayo kahit maliit ang sahod. No? And we thought na hanggang doon lang tayo. Pero yun naman, pag ginagawa mo yung best mo, just like yung sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, yung best promoter mo as a teacher ay yung mga estudyante mo.
Yes.
Kung magaling ka sa classroom, ang dami mong natulungang mga estudyante, sila yung ambassador of goodwill mo. Sila yung nagsasabi sa community na magaling to si Sir Canieso, si Sir Victor. And so that siguro nakita ko ng NHU that time. So kinuha nila ako as instructor. And then nung nandun na ako talaga, sinabi ko kasi wala akong masyadong kilala doon, wala akong silver backer. Sabi ko lang is just I have simply do my best. And then if you will do your best, kahit sino pa yung mag-block sa'yo or ayaw sa'yo, pag talagang ginawa mo yung best mo, ay talagang you will rise among the rest.
True. I remember, naging professor po kayo ng mga anak ko sa Cathedral before. Diba?
Yes, oo. Doon ako nagturo
Yes.
sa private, sa cathedral.
Opo.
For 10 years ako doon.
So, yun ang first stepping stone
Yeah,
as a
that's my
teacher.
humble beginning in my profession. So alam mo, all out ka doon, pero ang salary that much. But sulit naman kasi kung binigay mong lahat doon, you have done your best, the experience that you will gain,
Yes.
no?
Opo.
As an educator, worth talaga.
And true enough, as what you said, no, everything depends on the quality of job that you do. No? Talagang marirecognize at marirecognize din po talaga ng tao.
Kaya yun, kahit anong, it could be, lowest rank na job or hindi high caliber na job. As long as you are doing your best, ay mapapansin ka talaga.
And mukha naman din pong you love what you do.
Yes, kailangan may passion ka talaga
Yes.
sa teaching. Kaya pala, God has a plan for me na ilagay ako niya dyan sa isang state university na kung saan most of our students are from poor families. And kaya yung ginawa ko ngayon sa BIPSO, I always mirror it to myself. That if hindi ko to gawin, kawawa naman ang mga katulad ko.
True. Tama. Okay. What personal achievement are you proud of that not many people know about?
Ano ba? Personal achievement. Siguro hindi alam pa ng is that yung mga sa spiritual side na I'm praying these things and then it happened, it was granted. So, yun, parang hindi ko kasi yun sinabi na ito yung mga achievements ko. But because of praying, no, ay talagang na parang akala mo kasi sinner ka, kasalanan ka, hindi yan i-grant ni Lord sa'yo. And then, silently with your prayers, it has been given to you or granted to you. So isa sa mga achievements ko na hindi alam ng mga tao kasi more on kasi yung mga recognition or achievements na of the accomplishments of the university, mga awards ko. But silently, itong being prayerful is the greatest achievement that I had in my whole life.
Sabi nga po nila, di ba, in God's perfect time,
Yeah.
whatever you desire, it will be given to you. As long as you
Being
believe
prayerful
in
is an achievement
Yes.
kasi hindi lahat prayerful.
Yes.
Ano isa ito sa weapon ko na why I still remain in the profession as a leader, as a manager na nag-survive. Hindi nag-survive but nag-thrive.
Yes.
Kasi ang
Talagang
daming
nag-thrive,
challenges, no? And it's prayer talaga ang achievement na maano ko na talagang God is with me. Kasi ang prayer, power of prayer.
Parang gusto ko na lumuhod mamaya at magdasal. Right after this, ano. No. What has been the biggest influence in your career path or personal philosophy?
Actually, itong weaving of worthiness. Wow.
Wow.
So, weaving of worthiness. Yun. Kahit anong status sa buhay mo or sa trabaho mo, as long as you will do what's worth, ano ang best, yun. Talagang maraming babalik sa'yo and even marami kang ma-share sa iba.
Yes. I truly believe in hard work.
Yeah.
Hindi po ba?
Kasi kung gawin mo yung what's worth, weaving of worthiness, lahat ng mga values doon, perseverance, hard work, determination, kasi kailangan mo talaga gagawin mo ang best, ang work. For yourself, for others, for the organization, gano'n. Oh.
Kaya wow na wow ang Bibs. So now, let us learn more about the institution naman po.
Yan, sa Bipso na side.
Yes. Sir, ano naman po ang mga courses na ino-offer sa main campus and sa Biliran campus?
Check. Unahin ko yung sa external campus. So, mayroon tayong 3 colleges or schools doon. In fact, ang focus natin dito is agriculture and fishery. So that's why we have school there or college na agriculture and fishery, then agribusiness and forestry. Then we have also teacher education. Then sa main campus, ang dami nating mga curricular programs. In fact, mayroon tayong School of Nursing, so sa nursing, then teacher education, then mayroon tayong sa Arts and Sciences, which nandito ay yung BS Economics, BE Communication, as Business Administration. Then mayroon tayong School of Management and Entrepreneurship, nandito yung Hotel Management at Tourism Management. Then mayroon tayong School of Technology and Computer Studies, ito yung mga computer computer courses.
Opo.
Then mayroon tayong School of Engineering, Electrical, Mechanical, Civil, and Computer Engineering. Then meron tayong graduate school. So ito yung mga courses. Sinabi natin na parang comprehensive kasi we have to offer this kasi tayo lang ang nag-iisang higher education institution in the province.
Yes. Will there be additional courses na ma-offer ang BIPSU in the near future?
Kasi in my new term, no, kasi I'm having my new term. We want na yung natin, mga program offerings ay talagang industry responsive, talagang demand ng community or ng industry. And based on our initial study, survey natin, ano yung mga industry responsive or demand sa community, ay ito yung parang i-focus natin for a feasibility study. Just like sa School of Nursing natin, we are even planning to we explore of ano yung pwede bang mag-offer tayo ng BS midwifery kasi we want to be responsive sa demand ng community na yung target na bawat barangay mayroon ng mga
Ay,
midwife.
magandang idea
So,
po yan.
andito sa Region 8, walang issues na nag-offer ng BS Midwifery.
Ah, really?
So, kaya we will be working on that. Or, the public health, yung parang mag-work talaga sa mga barangay. And then, of course, perhaps in preparation for medical courses like BS Bio. So, these three, we will explore on this and we may decide which one talaga ang pwede na i-offer natin. But we are working on the feasibility study on this. Also, sa arts and sciences, we are planning to offer public administration and political science. And then, in fact, we want also to offer this time, we'll work if ma-offer natin ang College of Law.
Wow.
Kasi, di ba, ang daming malabas sa province
Yes.
just to enroll law, no? So, we are trying our best that maano. Kasi ang dami nating potential na mga instructors or professors sa law. Ang daming lawyers dito sa Biliran. And then, also, yung mga sa, ngayon, sa technology, animation, design. So, we may have that para talagang ma-employed kaagad yung mga graduates natin. Siguro, imbitahan natin yung mga yung mga viewers. Pwede naman silang mag-react if okay sila sa courses na pinaplano natin ay offer or
Pwede.
baka through sa kwentuhan with BM Roslyn, maka-generate tayo ng mga programs na gusto ng mga
Sa mga
viewers.
comments nila,
Yeah,
no? Baka-
pwede yan. Oo,
baka pwede.
we encourage them, BM Roslyn, na mag-comment sila na sana ang BIPSO mag-offer ng ganito, ganyan. Kasi we want to be responsive and address the demand of the community when it comes to course offerings.
That's a good idea, sir.
Yeah, oo.
So, ano po ang mga pwede pa nating maasahang future developments sa both campuses?
Actually, as modesty aside, manotice nyo naman ang dami ng developments sa university, may it be soft or hard. So, I'm talking of hard yung sa infra.
Yes.
No? So, of course, we will still working on that, mga buildings, infra, kasi isa din ito sa sa mga estudyante, if may magandang buildings sila, mga facilities. No, so we are working on that, and even now ang plan ng university, mga high-rising buildings, no, para talaga maka-accommodate kasi increasing ang population sa BIPSO, no. Before we used to be 5,000 to 6,000, but at this time 10,000 na ang college
really?
pa lang natin. So plus the graduate school and high school, and din Bilan Campus, more or less we are now 13,000. So malaki na
Grabe,
talaga ang
dami na.
population. So
Yes.
kailangan natin ng mga buildings. So sa soft naman, of course, ang natin talaga, ang aim natin is that employability. Na lahat ng course offerings natin, yung mga activities natin ay makaproduce tayo ng graduates who could really work. Ma-employed talaga sila. And our preparation is not only to be let them ma-employ sila dito sa province or sa country, but even outside the country. So that's why yung vision natin is BIPSO ay talagang kilala siya na international recognized university, responsive to the needs of the local and global communities. So yun, we want to provide quality education para ensure yung employability.
Yes.
And then, gusto natin na more community engagement pa ang BIPSO kasi para makatulong tayo sa provincial government sa pag-develop, pag-improve sa society, and pag-empower sa mga tao. And then, of course, gusto natin ang BIPSO ay maging financially viable, self-sufficient, na kahit ay talaga namang makapag-operate tayo with the support of the government.
Kasi I was there, di po ba, during the inauguration and
Yes.
blessing of the new nursing building.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. Grabe. Talagang with all we saw yung mga parang sample rooms, may
Laboratories, simulation room.
ICU,
Yeah,
diba?
mini
May
hospital.
birthing room.
Yes.
Ang galing. I mean, talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. Kasi it was the first time I saw something like that. So it was really nice. So we're hoping also dahil yung resulta po ng nurses natin sa BIPSU talagang nakakawaw din.
Yeah.
For the past
High passing
3
percentage talaga tayo.
board exams po ba yan? Ilang percent ang passing rate?
Actually, may parang 3 times na tayo nag-100%. And since the offering of nursing, yung ano tayo sa mga results ng board exam, the average passing rate is 90% up.
Wow.
So,
Galing.
lahat na yon yung average.
Galing.
So how much more this time na mayroon na sila magandang building, may
Mas may
facilities.
engganyo.
So we are really looking forward na 100%. And not only we could even increase the number of nursing graduates so that ang daming nurses, not only we could supply the demand here in the country but even outside the country.
And meron din po kayong binanggit, please correct me if I'm wrong. There will also be additional parang 2 more buildings na parang ginawan po na nakatulong din si
Yeah.
Kong Jerry Boy.
Actually, we are so thankful with Congressman Jerry and sa lahat ng mga local leaders. That's the beauty talaga pag ang mga local leaders, the congressman, the governor, the mayors ay nagkakaisa and even ang BIPSU, no? So we have good relations with the LGU. So yun, this time, ang BIPSU nga parang may isa sa may pinakamalaking capital outlay. Mayroon tayong 200 million for this 2024.
Wow.
So di ba yung nursing building ngayon, adjacent to the, next to that is mayroon tayong tatayo na 5-story building. So dito yung 70 million na budget insertion from DPWH. So the effort of Congressman Espina, and with this 50 million, so more or less 120 million yan in that area sa may nursing, which that's the building to be shared by teacher education and nursing. And then also doon sa may oval, yung hindi pa natapos na building,
Opo.
mayroon tayong 5-story doon na hindi pa natapos. Mayroon din tayong budget na 66
Wow.
million. So doon ang School of Management and Entrepreneurship, and then sa second floor at saka third floor, we will have there the state-of-the-art world-class library.
Nice. Alam mo, napaka-importante po talaga ng library
Yes.
sa isang estudyante.
Kaya sabi ko, kailangan ay i-upgrade ang library natin kasi ito yung parang pinakaano na talagang instruction, yung resources, learning resources is really there kasi maganda ang library. Pero yung library natin ngayon, dila yung design natin na kasi magbasa lang sila doon. Hindi, inano na natin. Ang concept natin sa library natin is worth 17 million. Ang fixtures lang niya ay ano yan, inclusive. That's why ma-accommodate natin ang mga PWDs, even students. Kasi yung mga dati, yung
Ay,
library,
nice.
the usual, ang library is for study only. But we have a room there, an area wherein yung mga estudyante mahilig mag-study with coffee and tea, pwede na sila. Kasi dati bawal.
Nice. Oo.
Oh, but this time we are into that. Kasi yung mga estudyante natin, ngayon iba na sila. Dati, mag-study tayo. Pag ngayon, nagko-coffee, nag-tea.
Talagang
So,
you have to adapt to the times.
Yeah, we make sure na talagang if we have that kind of learners, they could also have their library research or library activities while having their coffee or tea. Pero bawal lang kakain doon.
Drinks lang.
Drinks lang para hindi sila maantok.
Yes. Where do you see BIPSU going in the next few years?
Yeah, actually, ang vision natin sa BIPSU, starting this year up to this year and beyond, is that BIPSU, an internationally recognized university responsive to the needs of the local and the global community. So, we want talaga na ma-recognize internationally ang BIPSO. Why? Bakit? Kasi pag hindi known, internationally recognized ang university, malamang hindi tatanggapin ang mga graduates mo. Kaya yung ano kasi natin ngayon is that employability. And how could we make sure na ma-employed yung mga graduates natin? One is that internationally your university is known. So yun.
True.
Yun ang ano namin na globally known ang BIPSO.
Sir, I follow you on Facebook.
Ano ba?
Yes.
Nagmarites ka pala.
So, kaya nakikita
Sorry,
ko po.
Dr. Marites.
No, nagmamarites nga po tayo ngayon.
Roslyn ka ngayon. Roslyn pala. Roslyn.
So, sir, I follow you on Facebook.
Mm.
I see that you are so very busy. Grabe sa biyahe sa mga ibang bansa just to be able to, as you said, ipakilala ang BIPSO sa iba't ibang countries. I think you went to Korea, di ba? And
US din.
US. Sa New York, doon po sa State of the University address nyo, there was an alumni who spoke, di ba? Through, anong tawag po doon?
Sa
Zoom ba yan?
sa
Virtual,
virtual.
Yes. And it's a very, parang I believe you're going to be having a partnership with him, no? For the employment of the students of BIPSO.
Yes, yes.
So, you're very busy. Grabe. So, how do you find time with love life?
Okay. Grabe naman. Love life talaga.
Hindi, diba? I mean,
Actually, ako, I always tell myself, I have to live a balanced life. Balanced life talaga. Kasi pag more on work ka lang, siguro nakikita nyo, busy ako. That's the usual thing. Or ng isang public servant. Busy talaga tayo, di ba? Yeah. But I find time to live my life, balance, live, life, work, and love. O, di ba? So, of course naman, hindi yan pwedeng mawala yan sa atin, di ba? That somehow inspires us, no?
True.
That in our hectic schedule, busy days, we really have to find time for ourselves. And yung pag-find time sa self mo, isa yan yung masaya naman ng heart mo. O, di ba? Sa t-shirt mo kan heart. O, di ba?
Kasi we want to spread love.
Kailangan talaga natin. Regardless of our gender, our status, we really have love life. Kailangan talaga natin.
Yes.
Hindi yan mawala, BM Roslyn. Kailangan talaga natin yan.
So, dapat live a balanced life.
Yan ang inano ko talaga. Kaya, ako, kahit busy ako, uwi talaga ako sa family. And then sa family, friends naman. So, kahit hindi ako always with them, but I have quality time. Kasi I have to make sure na I can live a balanced life.
Oh yes, belated happy birthday po pala sa mama.
Yeah. Simple
Diba?
birthday celebration for happy na siya. Oo.
Talagang minomonitor kay Facebook.
Naki-Roslyn ka talaga. So,
Stalker.
danyo is not Inomaritz, but Roslyn.
So, my last question, sir.
Yes.
What legacy do you hope to leave behind?
Legacy for, actually, di ba? Lahat tayo ay, all of us will live in this world. Hindi natin madala lahat. Pero ang ano ko lang na legacy is that how I sa trabaho ko na kasi mawala yung mga materials and all. Basta ang ano ko lang is that yung legacy na you have to do your best always. What's worth, do it. No? And so that kahit mawala pa yung mga buildings, basta you're always doing your best, what's worth. That could be the legacy that people could always see na pwede din nilang, pwede pala itong magawa din natin. But on the other side, for BIPSO, yun. Ang ano ko sa BIPSO ay talagang maging internationally recognized siya and then talang known siya na mga maganda ang magaling ang mga graduates. Talagang gusto nila ang mga graduates sa BIPSO. And then talagang BIPSO is one of the strong force to help biliran na talaga ma-develop at
Yes.
mag-improve.
True.
So,
Okay.
yun.
So, Sir Vic, since nakapag-inform naman po tayo tungkol sa you as an educator, your background, and tungkol din po sa institusyon ng inyong sinasakupan, medyo magpa-good vibes naman po tayo sa ating mga manonood.
Okay, yes. That's exciting.
Let us both play
Oy,
a
gano'n.
game called What's in the Box. So, ako sa totoo lang po, kinakabahan ako. Kasi natatakot, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ilalagay ng mga tao doon.
Ba yung in the box? Pandora's box ba yan?
Baka mamaya buhay siya or kung ano man. Basta, iyon, basta wala ba tayong waiver na kailangan pirmahan? Scared ako.
Saan ba yung box na yan?
Kaya ba na ba natin to? Game ka na ba?
Game. Ano ba yung klaseng box yan? Pandora's box?
A few moments later.
So, okay. So, sino mo una? Siyempre, ang bisita.
So,
Of
ako
course.
So, I will dito?
Bato pick tayo.
Bato-pick.
Hala,
Bato-pick
sige.
tayo. Sige, sige. Di ko na alam paano yun. 1, 2, 3, go! Sino panalo?
Ako.
Ikaw,
Ako.
okay. Okay, sige. Ikaw na.
Okay. Ako
Ako
talaga.
kukuha. Sige.
Kayo,
Kasi ako natalo.
kayo eh.
Ako
So,
yung
kayo
mauna.
kukuha.
Dito, sa box?
Yes.
Nako, ha?
No looking.
Diyos ko, baka may ano dito, ha? Ay! Ano to, ha? Baka may ano to.
No,
Kukunin ko?
Identify.
I-identify ko?
Yes.
Ano to? Kunin ko?
Hindi po. Identify lang. Ano siya? What do you think?
Wig? Ano to? Teddy bear?
Sila magsasabi kung tama.
What's your final answer?
Yung kung ano nandito. Hat?
It's a...
Hat.
It's a hat. Congratulations.
Wow! Ay, hat pala, oo.
Hindi ko
Wow! Hat pala,
Sabi
oo.
ko matatalo ko rito eh.
Okay, 1 point for Sir Vic.
Yay!
Oh.
Okay, next box please. Eto.
Hindi ko mahulaan. Patay. Patay tayo dyan.
One eternity later.
Parang...
Yay! It's your turn!
Walang... Prutas?
Mali.
May sounds. Parang may sounds. Yay! May 1 point na ako.
Hindi ko talaga...
The count of 5.
Pwede magtanong, saan siya ginagamit?
Hindi pwede magtanong.
Wala.
3.
Wait. Pang ano? Pang scrub? Pang... pang scrub? Ano ba siya? Nang... Hindi kaya ng katawan to?
Ano ba yan?
Sugat-sugat. Duguan to. Ano? Ng mga kawali, ganyan.
That's the answer.
Ah, perfect.
1 point for Manu.
Una ko, ha?
Tay.
Ay, oo, kanan ko ang siya, kanan.
Tayo,
Scrap.
tayo.
Right.
Scotch Brite.
Okay, next. One point. Lahat.
So ako na.
Oh,
Yes,
ito
sir.
na,
Diyos
Okay,
ko ha, baka buhay to ha. Matakot.
Three.
Body scrub.
That's correct.
Wow!
One.
Yay!
Taronggan.
Ayan. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ready? Go.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam. Parang may...
Buhay?
Hindi ko alam. Diyos ko. Parang... Naluluha ako.
Buhay siya? Buhay?
Iba yung pakiramdam, sir.
No, 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 no.
Five, four, three, two, one. Okay.
So ako na naman ito?
No point.
Diyos ko.
Vic,
Uy, nakakatakot siguro to. Ano ba to?
Paano masabi?
walang point si Ma'am Rosie doon. Mali po yun, ma'am. No guess.
Ay! 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 Ano to? Ay! Ano to? Ano to? Pagkain?
Five, four.
Parang gums siya?
Your final answer.
Ano to?
Three,
Hindi ko masabi.
two, and
Gums?
gum. That is wrong. The answer is slime po.
Ay, hindi ko yan ano.
Si Paula. Sige, pakita niyo ba? Pakita niyo po muna. Ayan.
Akala ko.
Ay, pambata kasi. Mga matanda na kami. So, di na.
That's a slime.
Hindi ka diba? Yung pakiramdam, kala mo kung ano.
Okay, 1 point.
3 hours later.
Ako
Hindi
na.
mo na.
Okay. This time, it's Sir Vic's turn. So, you will guess what's inside the box.
Ah!
Okay. 3, 2,
Ay, parang ano siya? Magalaw.
Nope.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
Go.
Ay! Buti na lang yun. Tay kami.
The winner is,
Tay.
Ay!
the winner is still our guest, Sir Victor.
Yeah!
Thank you.
So, kumusta, Sir Vic?
Actually, parang sa interview hindi ako nahirapan. Doon sa game nahirapan talaga ako. But it's fun. It's fun.
It was fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, thank you so very much, Sir Vic,
Thank
for
you also.
granting our request for an interview. Bisan super short notice lang
Yeah,
po.
oo.
And even with your very busy schedule, ay naisingit niyo po din kami.
Yeah.
No, masaya kaming nakasama po kayo at malaman ang mga magagandang balita ng BIPSU. Para sa ating mga kaigsuon ng Biliranon, could you please invite them to watch our program? And what is your message to our viewers?
So, actually, I'm so thankful, no? I'm so blessed na boy naman akong naimbitahan sa Kwentuhan with BM Roslyn. And in fact, akala ko kwentuhan lang ito. But the way I perceive sa interview, ay talagang two things ang in-emphasize dito. To draw inspiration and to come up with information to the community, which is very important, no? Seldom na lang yung mga tao, kasi usually marites na sa social media, but this one for me is very educational, informational. So, talagang I'm encouraging, no, not only our viewers, no, but even our students in the university, the faculty and staff to subscribe Kwentuhan with BM Roslyn. Kasi yon ang sinabi ko, more of drawing inspiration and then providing information. So, we're so thankful that nag-ano ka na ganitong initiative BM Roslyn.
Ay, thank
So, thank you. We really appreciate, no, with the Biliranons. Now, on the part of my leadership in BIPSO, siguro ang pwede kong info or panawagan sa mga viewers natin, especially at this time. Kasi nag-start na tayo sa pre-online enrollment for the next academic year. And then, ang dami na nating online appointment para sa entrance exam. Pero tapos na yung online appointment. So, ang dami ngayon nag-request. So, some are saying na baka hindi na i-open ng BIPSO kasi ang dami nang na-accommodate na mga 4,000 na and our carrying capacity is only 2,000. So, wag mag-alala, mga ka-BM Roslyn, kasi we will have our schedule for pre-online appointment for you to take the entrance exam at BIPSO. So, maybe within this week, or kasi 28 pa ito, sa 28, so by the month of March, we could have the online, pre-online appointment to those mag-take ng entrance exam.
Nice, nice, nice.
Please alam nila. Ngayon lang official na nagsabi ako na magbigay tayo ng extension.
Good. Ay, nice. Dito
So,
pa
dito
talaga
ko lang
sa
sinabi. Kasi ang dami ng request sa akin. And pag-request ng mga parents, ng mga kabataan, ng mga Biliranons, hindi yan pwedeng sabihin nating no. But sabi ko naman, kasi hindi sila sumunod sa deadline. But this is my official pronouncement that we will give extension for the pre-online appointment because of the insistent demand of our Biliranons.
Wow, dito pa talaga sa ating kwentuhan with BM Roslyn.
Yes,
I'm so very thankful, sir po. And, namaos ako sa game, sorry. Ano ba yan? So, sana po ay may impormasyon, aral at inspirasyon po kayong napulot sa ating kwentuhan ngayong araw. Huwag ho natin kalimutan na i-like, mag-comment at mag-share sa ating programa para marami pa ang mga good vibes sa ating kaigsuon ng Biliranon. Muli po, ito po si Roslyn Espina Paras. Tara, kwentuhan tayo.
Yay!
Bruce Lee!